This is a workpiece cut by the laser cutting machine. It have many sharp burrs at the edge. This entry-level manual abrasive suitable for many different sheet metal plate surface polishing applications. It adopts easy and rapid switching from grinding pad to brush station. This side is a easy change grinding pad, mainly pre-processing big chamfer on the edge. Brush for deburring, edge and all polishing. Now I will show you the chamfering performance. This is special table integrated with vacuum friction surface. It can keep the small workpiece in place. The swing arm is a constant force mechanism. It only needs to be pressed down gently to make it contact the surface of the workpiece and do a pre-grinding on the edge of the workpiece. After pre-grinding, the larger particles on the edge are gone. The edge of the workpiece is still not so smooth. Switch the grinding station to do chamfering. This is a fast switching, fast positioning grinding station. Quick change the pad. It only needs to be pressed gently, put at the edge of the workpiece, and ground back and forth. It can be seen that the R angle of the edge of the workpiece is very uniform.